What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is a review of the Logitech G935, the updated version of Logitech's G933. Now I did have the G933, but I never covered them because they weren't that good, to be honest with you guys. I'm just gonna, I keep it honest here on the channel. They weren't good and they didn't make it to the channel. I didn't see a reason why they should be reviewed. I didn't really feel like they were worth it. Now Logitech is coming back with the G935 at $170. Ooh, that's a big yikes, especially when there's like the HyperCloud X2s and all those out there. Can these compete? Are they worth that extra dime? These are wireless and they do have that 7.1. So let's see if they are up to the task of, helping us kill some noobs. So let's start off with what they have in the box. Now they have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter jack cord in there, and that is so you can plug it up to your PS4, your Xbox, or your Nintendo Switch. So you get some versatility here. Also in the box is a USB charger, so you can plug it in and use it while you're charging the headphones, and also the headphones themselves. I do like that these have a hidden compartment to put your USB-C receiver into on the left ear cup, which is nice. So when you're storing them or you're traveling, you can just put it into the ear cup and you're good to go. You won't lose the charger. Now, last year I wasn't impressed with the G933s because the cloth pads were just horrendous. They were scratchy, they were stiff, they didn't really form. It just felt like you had two big blocks of cloth on your head and it wasn't comfortable. This year they've gone with some leather that is more comfortable. The padding on it feels exceptional. One thing I will say though is that the stitching hurts. It hurts. It's not that comfortable. It kind of presses into your ear, and I'm kind of hoping that over time these will actually break down and break in to have them be more comfortable over time. I actually think that Logitech chose the wrong size for the ear cups. They made it big up top and small at the bottom. I don't like the feel of it. I would rather it be small at the top and big at the bottom. I don't know if that's just a personal preference, but I feel like that works a lot better and is more comfortable. Also on the ear cups, you've got some RGB lighting. Now this, in my opinion, just isn't worth it. You're not gonna see it while you're gaming. I mean, it looks cool when it's on your desk, but it only lasts for 6 hours with the RGB on and 12 with it off. So there's no reason to run the RGB. You're just cutting your battery life in half. And for 12 hours, for 6 hours, that is just not acceptable for 2019 battery life standards. Now you can control this with the Logitech Hub software and you can change it from like breathing and all that type of modes, yada, yada, yada. You're just cutting down your battery life. That's all I hear when I look at the list of RGB on there. Also on the left ear cup, you've got 3 programmable buttons. You got the volume scroll and you've got the power switch. Now the build quality this year isn't as creaky as last year. It actually feels kind of nice. There's not much sound coming from it when you twist it. Let me give you a demonstration right now. Last year it was way worse than this. This isn't that bad at all. It feels like they greased some of these hinges this year. So yeah, pretty good job this year in Logitech listening to us and kind of changing that creakiness. The padding up top here is really nice. It's super spongy. This part is the most comfortable part of the whole headphone. And these aren't too bad for weight. They're not that bad as well. On the right ear cup, you'll actually find a battery door, so you can actually change out the battery if your battery ever dies on you. So that's kind of cool. You can change out that rechargeable battery. It's got a stainless steel headband up there covered in plastic as well. I think that leads to it not being as creaky as last year. And also they've got a microphone on the left ear cup as well, which you can flip out and flip in, and it also bends to your mouth and extends. So kind of some cool touches here with the microphone, and we'll do a sound test and all that a little bit later. Don't you guys worry, I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. So the wireless capabilities are really nice. These cover up to 15 meters, guys. So you can walk around, you can go to the bathroom, flip that mic up and take a number 2, if you know what I'm saying. Come back to the game like nothing happened. And it's kind of nice, sometimes not having to worry about, oh shoot, where's my cord? We've all been there where we get up from our chair and our headphones snap down. It's really cool that this is wireless. The wireless receiver just goes into your PC and it just works. I've had no interruptions with the wireless. Been completely happy with that aspect of these headsets. Alright guys, so let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any gaming headsets, the sound. That spatial awareness. Being able to place enemy footsteps, to hear them coming before they even know that they're coming towards us. That's what we want, right? We want that 7.1 DTS super surround sound that these offer us, the G935s offer us. We want it, right? Well guys, let me tell you, these are absolutely doo-doo. For $170, I want to hear you walking towards me. That's it. I want to know what direction you're coming from. I want to know before you even know it. Before you even turn on your PC, I want to know that you're turning on your PC. I want to hear it. But no, I don't hear anything. It just sounds like I have a regular pair of headphones on. Now I went into the settings, I put it to wide for the soundstage, I did all these, I tried to tinker with the equalizer, which is just terrible. It just completely destroys the clarity, any clarity that there was in these gaming headsets. So I don't know, the software doesn't really match up with the headphones. Now I don't know if the actual technology of the headphones isn't up to par. I mean, they say there's 50mm drivers in here. They should be, you know, packing a punch. But I've heard better for way cheaper. You know, the Hyper Cloud X2s, for instance. Why not? Why wouldn't you just get those over these? There's no reason not to, and save yourself $100. Music does sound decent. It's clear. There's clarity with these headphones. But again, if you touch that equalizer, you're done for. So I really think that Logitech needs to go back to the drawing board. I know that they can do it. It's just a matter of them putting in the effort to put it into these headphones to make them, you know, do some research. Logitech, do some research. Figure out with these other top people like Astro or HyperX, SteelSeries, find out what they're doing. Find out what they're doing, because they're doing it better than you. So yeah, for the sound, for surround sound, for gaming, these are just average to below average, especially for the price that you're paying. They're below average. The one saving grace of this gaming headset is the microphone. This thing is absolutely money. I think they put all that money that you're paying for it into the microphone. Not only does like flipping it up actually turn it off, but the clarity that you get with this is just astonishing. Now I talked to my friends on Discord and they told me that this is the best mic that I've ever used on Discord. So that's saying a lot. So if you want the best of the best mic, you know, per se, maybe you don't really care about the sound, maybe you don't really care about that spatial awareness, this gaming headset might just be for you. So with that being said, let's just drop a sound test for you guys right about now. What's up guys, it's BT here and this is the test of the microphone. Let me know what you guys think down below. My friends say this is the clearest microphone I've ever had, but you guys are my friends too, so let me know down below. So what did you guys think? Do you think that is the clearest microphone that I've ever tested on the channel? Let me know down in the comments below. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this review of the G935 from Logitech. It's a miss for me. I wish that the sound and the surround sound really delivered all those promises of the 7.1 DTS super surround sound marketing, you know, extra, whatever they're calling it, whatever they're doing over there. It's not working. They need to go back to the drawing board, maybe redo their software, maybe redo the actual drivers in the headphones, maybe just steal some drivers from like HyperX or something. Whatever they got to do, but for $170, it's a big yikes for me. It's a pass. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been your boy BT. Wait, I already said that. Where are we right now, guys? Help me out. Help me out. Alright, I'm just going to say peace. It's been your boy BT saying peace.